The Eufy? The Google Nest Doorbell or Amcrest? Perhaps the Ring Pro 2 or the Arlo Essential? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 video doorbells available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the 5 best video doorbells. The 5th product on this list is the Amcrest AD410 Pro. This unit is your trusty sidekick when it comes to answering the door. No more awkwardly peeping through the blinds trying to figure out who's there. This nifty gadget, you can see exactly who's at your doorstep, even when you're living your best life somewhere else. And let's face it, we all have that one neighbor who drops by unannounced and overstays their welcome. With the Amcrest Pro, you can screen out those pesky visitors who aren't there to bring you delicious Girl Scout cookies. This bad boy runs on your existing doorbell wiring and is compatible with all your traditional chimes, both old school mechanical and fancy digital ones. Plus, it delivers high-definition 2K surveillance footage of all the shenanigans happening in front of your door with this 164-degree viewing angle, so you can cover all the angles literally. Now let's talk about the built-in microphone and speaker. It's like having a virtual doorman. You can have a two-way chat with your visitors without ever leaving the couch or even getting out of bed. And the best part? You don't have to make small talk or offer them a drink. Setting up the Amcrest is a breeze. When you get it, it comes with a corner bracket, a wedge bracket, and all the installation tools you'll need. And it's RTSP stream compatible, which is fancy tech speak for you can stream the footage live on your phone. The doorbell camera is no slouch when it comes to tech features. It's compatible with both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks, so you'll always be connected. And it even has night vision that lets you see up to 16 feet away in the dark. Plus, it has human detection, which means it won't send you false alarms for every passing car or fluttering bird. It only detects humans. And you can use this feature even without the motion detection toggle switch being turned on. The Amcrest AD410 Pro is the perfect blend of security and convenience. And it'll make you wonder how you ever lived without it. Its pros are: it features motion sensor that lets you receive detection alerts via push notifications. It has an IP65 weatherproof rating. And it comes with a full 1-year US warranty and lifetime technical support provided directly by the manufacturer. However, it doesn't come with a micro SD card, which needs to be bought separately. The Amcrest AD410 Pro is a great device with some excellent features and great image quality in both night and daytime settings. It's a perfect solution for those who want to have more control over who comes to their door. Up next in 4th place is the Arlo Essential Video Doorbell. Do you want to protect your property while in and out of the home? If your answer is yes, then the Arlo Essential Wireless Video Doorbell should definitely be on your list. This video doorbell has a ton of unique features that you won't find in other models, and it can be hardwired or battery-powered for extra convenience. With this one-to-one field of view, you'll never miss a package again. The design of this doorbell is sleek and modern, with a rectangular shape and rounded edges. The lens is located at the top, and there's a circular button at the bottom. The black front white sides give it a classic, tidy look. But the real magic is in the features. We also like that there are activity zones. You can customize these zones to detect motion only in specific areas, so you won't get false alarms for things like passing cars or wandering pets. You can create multiple zones, but they have to be square or rectangular. And let's not forget about package detection. This feature is a lifesaver for those of us who do a lot of online shopping. The camera will alert you when it detects a package, so you'll never miss a delivery again. Last but not least, you can personalize your smart notifications. This means you'll only get notifications when the camera detects people, vehicles, or animals, whatever you choose. No more annoying notifications for things you don't care about. In summary, the Arlo Essentials Wireless Video Doorbell is packed with features that make it a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their property safe and secure. Its pros are: it allows you to see a person from head to toe or a package on the ground with a 180-degree wide field of view. It captures clear pictures and more detailed video in HD with HDR. And it's weather resistant and is built and certified to withstand heat, cold, rain, or sun. However, it requires a subscription if you want to take advantage of all of its features. The Arlo Essential Video Doorbell is a useful device that delivers a comprehensive view from head to toe and beyond. It's an excellent device to have, particularly for individuals who often have packages delivered to their door while they are out and about. Still haven't found a video doorbell that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the Google 2nd Gen Nest Doorbell. Are you tired of constantly checking who or what's on your doorstep? Then, the Google 2nd Gen Nest Doorbell is a must-have. It quickly differentiates between people, packages, animals, and cars, sending you alerts about what matters most. And the best part? No subscription is needed. This smart device provides peace of mind, letting you check your video doorbell all day, every day, without recharging batteries. It's always on, so you'll always know what's happening at your front door. But wait, there's more. You can see what you missed with 3 hours of free event video history included in the Google Home app. Plus, you can view 2-second previews and 5-minute snippets of major events. And if you subscribe to the manufacturer's premium services, you can get up to 30 days of event video history and familiar face detection. Additionally, this gadget also links with compatible smart devices that operate with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, allowing you to stream live video feed, chat with visitors at your door, or even instruct a delivery worker where to leave a package. With the Google 2nd Gen Nest Doorbell, you'll have one less thing to worry about, especially when you're not at home. Its pros are, it features a taller 145-degree diagonal field of view, so you can see people head to toe. It's very simple and easy to install, and it's beautifully designed to complement any home and made with 43% post-consumer recycled materials. However, it requires a compatible chime and transformer, which are both sold separately. The Google 2nd Gen Nest Doorbell is an excellent choice if you want to keep track of everything or everyone that's coming to your doorstep. It's a device that offers not only convenience, but also security for your home and family. The second product on this list is the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. Looking for a doorbell that's not only smart but stylish too? Look no further than the Ring Pro 2. With features like 3D motion detection and a bird's eye view, you'll feel like you're in the cockpit of your own security plane. Plus, it's compatible with Amazon Alexa and just about every other smart home device you can imagine. And don't even get us started on the design. The satin nickel cover and glossy black camera face are so sleek, your nosy neighbors will be green with envy. And with its head-to-toe HD Plus video, you can see every inch of your guests, whether they're tall, short, or even wearing a kilt. What about night vision, you ask? Don't worry, this unit has got you covered with crystal clear color night vision, even in the pitch black of night or thunderstorm. And if you're worried about installation, fear not. The Ring comes with everything you need to get it up and running, including a Torx screwdriver, mounting screws, and even a quick start guide. So what are you waiting for? Give your front door the security upgrade it deserves with the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. Its pros are, it can be used to record all of your videos and review what you missed for up to 180 days. It has customizable motion zones to deliver more precise motion alerts and tracking. And it comes with everything you need to install it in no time at all. However, it requires a Ring Protect subscription in order to view recorded videos and take advantage of some features. The Video Doorbell Pro 2 is a top-of-the-line wired doorbell camera with cutting-edge security features, making it ideal for any home. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the best video doorbell is the Eufy Security S330. Your personal moments are yours, and with Eufy Security's amazing video doorbell, you can ensure both your privacy and protection without being interrupted. This unit is the ultimate device you need to add to your home security arsenal and give you peace of mind. What makes this video doorbell so special? Let's dive in. First off, it features 2 fully functional cameras, which on its own is a step above the competition. The front-facing camera boasts an impressive 160-degree field of view and captures footage in stunning 2K quality. Plus, the downward-pointing 130-degree HD lens focuses on the floor to keep tabs on the packages left at your doorstep. And here's the best part. You won't need to pay a monthly subscription fee for cloud storage. Instead, the device's base station wirelessly connects to the doorbell and stores up to 16 gigabytes of footage, which can be reviewed at a later date for free. This means it can hold up to 6 months' worth of videos if 30 videos of 20 seconds each are recorded per day. So you won't have to worry about running out of space anytime soon. The device's AI integration is another incredible feature. It can identify packages in its field of view and sends an alert to your phone, so you know when a delivery has arrived. But that's not all. It can also play a pre-recorded message when someone approaches the delivery, scaring off any would-be thieves. And if you have frequent visitors, the Familiar Faces function allows you to assign names to people who are often captured by the camera, making it easy to identify who's at the door. What's more, the device's base station doubles up as a chime, so you'll hear an audible alert in your home when the doorbell is pressed. Overall, the Eufy security video doorbell is the best on the market today, offering an unbeatable combination of privacy, protection, and convenience. You really won't want to miss out on this game-changing device. Its pros are: it provides access to all features with no subscription required. It features pickup reminders so you never abandon a package on your schedule. It works with both Alexa and Google Assistant, and it can be easily installed within just 5 minutes. However, because it has 2 fully functioning cameras, you can expect it to be bulkier compared to other models. The Eufy Security S330 is by far the most comprehensive video doorbell available that comes packed with numerous unique features. It's the best choice for anyone who wants to upgrade their home security and general life convenience. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.